Hello everyone, this is Henry from UTT Technologies. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you how to configure WAN settings on UTT routers. First, we launch up the internet browser and we input the IP address of the router to log into the user interface. We input the username and password. The password is empty by default. You may change the password after you log in. And we find WAN under basic. We click on WAN. Here we come to the WAN list. And we click on WAN to set WAN. We choose static IP. Here we input the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, which is and the primary DNS, which is mine. And we have, if we want more options, we click on advanced. Here we can change the MAC address of the WAN by editing here. We can also bind gateway manually, etc. And click on save. Okay, now the WAN 1 is successfully connected to internet by static IP. We can see the status under WAN list. Now I'm gonna configure WAN 2 sessions. Here we choose DHCP, and if we do not need to change MAC address or proxy ARP or mode, etc., we just click on save. You don't need to do much, and it is actually that kind of easy. But if we want to change MAC address, we click on advanced options. We change the MAC address here. We choose proxy ARP here. Mode, doesn't need to care about it. Click on save. And now WAN 2 is successfully connected to the internet by DHCP. But what if we want to configure WAN 2 by PPPoE? We can also do that. We edit, we choose PPPoE, and we input the username and password. Both username and password are provided by your ISP. We may see what's inside the advanced options. We have this much, but the most important one is the dial type. We have 3 dial types: always on demand, manual. Under always on, the PPPoE will always on even there isn't traffic going on. And under on demand, the PPPoE will be dialed only there is traffic going on. And manual, under manual, we have to dial PPPoE manually with even if there is traffic going on. So it cannot be dialed automatically under manual. And we can change the MAC address of WAN 2 here and other stuff. Click on save. Dial. Okay, now the WAN 2 is successfully connected to the internet by PPPoE. We can see the status of WAN 2 under WAN list. Here is connected. So This is basically how to configure WAN settings on UTT routers. Thank you for watching.